Did you know that fasting can have a powerful effect on the repair and regeneration of the liver? So, in this video we'll explore why fasting is beneficial for the health of this essential organ. Welcome everyone to this video about fasting and its effects on the liver and its benefits to the body. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So let's get on now. The liver is an amazing organ with a unique range of functions, including hormone regulation, detoxification, and producing bile, which helps to break down fats. Most interestingly, liver can regenerate itself after damage or illness. What is fasting? Fasting is the practice of abstaining from food for a certain period of time for health purposes. It is often done for spiritual cleansing and purification, as well as for health benefits. But what are the benefits of fasting to the body, and particularly to the liver? Well, many are having different types of fasting patterns. Regular intermittent fasting, periodic prolonged fasting. This doesn't matter to the liver of its mechanism of doing its physiology. A broad spectrum of health benefits from intermittent fasting have been reported in many studies recently. Fasting, in particular intermittent fasting, has emerged as a health-promoting diet pattern, which is supported by evidence derived by clinical practice. However, the patterns of intermittent fasting, depending on individual practice, vary tremendously. Now imagine when we fast in overall. This is recycling the all-damaged proteins in our body. How wonderful, isn't it? Another thing, liver serves as the major organ for supplying energy to the body. It has been reported that 12 to 24 hours of fasting results in depletion of hepatic glycogen, accompanied by a switch to a metabolic mode in which non-hepatic glucose, fat-derived ketone bodies, and free fatty acids are used as energy sources. This suggests that intermittent energy deprivation is capable of improving metabolic health. So if we get into one-line fasting tends to deplete our glycogen reserve, so that fat and liver can be used as fuel, thereby we are reversing the fatty liver and improve metabolic health. Fasting helps reduce inflammation by reducing the levels of inflammation-causing molecules, such as cytokines, in your body. Cytokines are molecules that help trigger inflammation, and when you fast, these molecules decrease in your body. Also, fasting helps activate anti-inflammatory pathways in the body, which helps reduce inflammation. Lastly, fasting can help reduce the amount of oxidative stress in the body, which is believed to be a major contributor to inflammation. This helps skin to decrease damage of cells, while reducing the signs of aging. Importantly, this does reduce raised liver enzymes too. Various studies have previously focused on the ability of the diet to prevent disease development and progression. A novel theorem has emerged which suggests that the time period of eating is also important. It has been indicated that the timing of food intake affects metabolic health and cancer development. What do you think about diabetes in relation to fasting state? Yeah, hence we get low amount of insulin in our bloodstream. This gives positive effect in diabetes individuals too. Finally, in conclusion, fasting can be an effective way to support liver regeneration and repair. Just make sure you're doing it safely and following a plan that works for your specific needs and goals. Thanks for tuning in. Share this video with your friends to spread the word about how fasting can help promote liver health and repair. See you in our next video.